8 small business ideas for Muslim girls, face hidden and profitable. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, we're going to talk about something super important. Assalamu alaikum, sisters. Are you a Muslim girl who wants to start her own business, but you're shy, prefer staying anonymous, or follow hijab, niqab, and don't want to show your face online? So don't worry, girls. Here are 10 halal small business ideas you can start from home while staying private and confident. Let's begin. Number 1, candle making business. Starting a candle making business can be a profitable and creative venture, especially with the rising demand for handmade, natural, and decorative products. Start your own candle line. You can design aesthetic, halal, scented candles. You sell them on different social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Etsy. Show only your hands while making them, or just the finished products. No face needed at all. Number 2, gift box basket business. Starting a gift box or gift basket business is a brilliant idea. It's profitable, fun, and allows you to use your creativity to design beautiful, personalized products for every occasion. Create custom gift baskets for weddings, Eid, baby showers, or birthdays. You can promote it through Reels, but only show the products, not yourself. Number 3, niqab hijab store. Starting a niqab hijab store, either online or offline, is a beautiful and impactful business idea, especially with the growing demand for modest fashion worldwide. You can source modest clothing, scarves, pins, and abayas and sell them on Instagram. You don't have to model them. Use mannequins or flat lays. Number 4, organic skincare products. Starting a business in organic skincare products is not only trendy and profitable, but also meaningful. You're offering safe, chemical-free solutions that people genuinely need for healthy skin. If you love DIY, make natural lip balms, body scrubs, or face masks using halal ingredients. Show your process using just your hands. It's relaxing, fun, and profitable. Number 5, calligraphy or Quran journaling. Starting a calligraphy or Quran journaling business is such a soulful, creative, and meaningful venture, especially for those who love art, Islamic aesthetics, and connecting with faith through creativity. Sell Islamic calligraphy, journaling kits, or even printable do-way cards. If your handwriting is beautiful, you can make content that inspires others while staying behind the camera. Number 6, home-based baking or cooking. Starting a home-based baking or cooking business is one of the most rewarding and profitable ventures, especially if you love being in the kitchen. Whether it's cakes, cookies, snacks, or full meals, people are always looking for homemade, hygienic, and delicious food. Make and sell cookies, cupcakes, or traditional dishes. Share aesthetic food photos and videos. Customers love seeing food, not the face behind it. Perfect for private sisters. Number 7, sewing or embroidery business. Sewing or embroidery business from home is an amazing way to turn your creativity into cash, especially if you enjoy stitching, customizing clothing, or designing handmade pieces. You can design abayas, prayer mats, hijabs, or even cute keychains. Record your process from above, hands only, and post online. Number 8, beaded bag business. Beaded bags are a super trendy and unique small business idea, especially for Muslim girls who want to stay creative, modest, and faceless online. These cute, colorful bags are trending all over Pinterest and Instagram. You can create them in different shapes, patterns, and even make mini Quran bags or coin purses. Show only your hands while creating and use aesthetic flat lay photos to promote. This is a great way to earn while staying completely behind the scenes. Sisters, You can be modest, private, and still be successful in business. Islam encourages us to use our skills with good intentions. Which idea inspired you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more halal business tips. Jazakallah khair for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.